Stop speaking basic English. Learn these 10 phrasal verbs. Hello and welcome to M.S English Diary. In today's lesson, we are going to learn 10 very useful daily phrasal verbs that are commonly used in real-life English conversations. These phrasal verbs will help you understand native speakers better and also make your speaking more natural and fluent. So let's get started. 1. Break off, meaning to end something suddenly or formally. Example, they broke off their engagement after many arguments. 2. Break up, meaning to end a romantic relationship. Example, they broke up after realizing they wanted different things in life. 3. Turn in, meaning to submit or hand something in example. Please turn in your assignment on time. 4. Turn around, meaning to improve a situation. Example, the situation turned around after he got a new job. 5. Put aside, meaning to ignore something for a while. Example, let's put aside our problems and focus on the work. 6. Put up, meaning to build or set something up. Example, they put up Christmas lights around the house. 7. Take away, meaning to remove something. Example, the teacher took away my phone during class. 8. Take back, meaning to withdraw something said or return something. Example, I take back what I said earlier. 9. Come on, meaning to encourage or hurry someone. Example, come on, we are getting late. 10. Come off, meaning to be removed or detach. Example, the sticker came off my phone after a few days. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something useful. Try to practice these phrasal verbs in your daily life and use them while speaking English. Remember, fluency comes with practice, not overnight. Keep learning, keep improving. Thank you.